Welcome back to the VST channel. It's time to check for some updates just received for majority of the stock applications, and in fact there are. Samsung Calendar, the reminder application, the AR emoji editor, smart suggestion, authentication framework, the parenting controls, Galaxy Watch 5 manager. Yes, I still have and use my Galaxy Watch 5, but also guys, theme park, Keys Cafe, something that nobody uses, maybe just 2 people on earth, Samsung highlights, which is an interesting thing, allowing you to set up video lock screen. Yeah, it's time to check if Samsung are still being very cryptic about their changelog. Let's see what the Samsung calendar is getting. So, sticker sync support in Samsung shared calendar, adding events supported in cover calendar widget. How does this sound to you? Date selector UI updated, Samsung Wallet UI updated, and lunar date repetition setting updated. 48 megabytes, and it is version 12.5.03.17. I'm gonna hit the update. Not sure if I can even show you something, guys. Then let's just check the next update. This is the reminder. Position of cover screen widget only working on the Z Flip. Provision of view button when changing categories of restoring completed reminders. So changing categories or restoring complete reminders. This is brand new from today, 12.5.03.16, 30 megabytes. I'm also gonna hit the update button there. I don't even think that these are some substantial things for me to even show you guys. If there is nothing really for me to show you, probably I'll just skip. The AR emoji editor, nobody cares, nobody even will use that one, but in case you do so, well, improved S Pen usability, improved asset field and sorting, and also improved feature for AR emoji creation. And the version is from the 28th of May, 62007, James Bond edition, right? You get it. Smart suggestion, authentication framework, parenting controls, guys. No single changelog, so I'm even not going to open them, but there is a changelog on theme park. The version is 1.1009, fixed an up crash when creating an icon pack, and fix minor bugs like an applied color error. Not really telling us a lot. Now let's check the Keys Cafe version that is optimized for One UI 6.1. Well, this is kind of cool actually. The version is 16110. In fact, this is the version. Brand new, right? Only 8 megabytes, but team optimization for One UI 6.1. Also, bug fixes, guys. And this is quite cool because apparently it seems that this model has been optimized for the first time, like it should be for the One UI 6.1, because last time it was just optimized for the One UI 6 where they applied stabilization code, and now you can just see so many things apparently they did fix. So I'm just gonna hit the update button, guys, and with that said, I'm also gonna try to update everything else. Now let me know if you are also getting these updates. Sometimes, or some of those are original locked, like for example the theme park and the Kiss Cafe. Here, this is the reminder application, guys. In my case, I can select remind, I can hit the move button, and I can move it around the categories. I'm not getting anything specific, weirdly enough. One more time, I'm just gonna move it this time to this category. Well, just pretty much the same. And now if I go back to the other application where we have some changes, the calendar, when you go inside the settings, there is something called the alternate calendar, where you have these 3 lunar calendars for the Vietnamese, the Chinese, and also the Korean, where apparently some changes were made. I don't use them, so I cannot tell you. Again, this is really some very minimalistic changes. The other option is to apparently synchronize your stickers in the Samsung shared calendar. So when you go back to the calendar, you click on site the settings, guys, then you have to go click site the settings, and then you have to go and click manage calendars. Then there is something called the create shared calendar, and you can just put a test. You can choose if you want to share it with the contacts, or even add a Samsung account, or you can even create a link. So right now I will be able to create a link and send it, and then the person that will receive it is going to be able to check my events when of course I share, and also if I'm using stickers. Yes. Also, something that is important, you can also now add events supported into the cover calendar widget. So how does this work? If we go here and we choose the widget selector, so I'm just gonna now go for calendar, guys. We have this, and that. So let's just go and try to use this one here. So if I'm to add the widget, all right, it's gonna be here. I can just see I have some test events. I can apparently directly click, like there is a plus button here. This is quite handy, by the way. From here directly I'm going to be able to access it and create some events, and this is it, guys. Again, nothing really major, but it is how it is. Samsung are not really the best in maintaining changelogs. Just go and make sure to check your Samsung Galaxy store, click on the menu, click on the updates, make sure that you update everything to the latest stages. And if you enjoy videos like this, well, you might want to stop and check some of the other videos that are more interesting. I promise. VST over, and bye.